Hi everyone, Mike Simmons here, and today I'm going to show you how to move a lot of serial numbers all at once. The scenario where you might want to do that is if you have Chromebooks that are marked in checked in status, but you need to change it to the room of borrowable. So first we're going to go to Assets and then Import Assets. And all it's looking for is a CSV file. I'm going to pull up a CSV file right here. And on the CSV file, it's very basic. I put at the top serial number and room, and then I just list out the serial numbers and then what room I want it changed to. I'm going to drag and drop the CSV file to the import, and now it's going to process the import. I've got 58 Chromebook serial numbers that I want to change from checked in to borrowable. So here it shows a green check showing serial and room. That means that Incident IQ can read that information. So now I'm going to match the strategy by serial number and run the rules on import, and then continue to the next step. Now it's going to process. And again, you're matching it by serial number, and then you're sliding that over to run the rules on the import. And the rule that it's running is it's changing the room number to what you set it to in the CSV file, which in this case is borrowable. And it's matching the asset by the serial number. So see here I've got serial number and room, and it shows a yellow drop down arrow that says 58, so it's going to change the serial number for those 58 from checked in to borrowable. Now after I continue next, what I want to do is we're going to wait for this to process. Now it might take a moment. It's going to say assets are importing. And instead of having to do one at a time, it's going to do it for you automatically behind the scenes, which is really nice. I know that would take a while to go ahead and click each one, 58 serial numbers, and trying to change the room number for each one. That would take a ton of time. But this process, it's a lot quicker. So if you give it a minute or two, it's just going to process in the background, and then we're going to verify that it changed it, and I'll show you how. So it says 58 assets imported. That looks good. There were 0 records skipped, and now I just want to hit show import results. So if you show the results, it's going to show that these serial numbers were changed to the room of borrowable. Simple as that. I hope this video helps, and thank you so much for watching.